What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. XOXO Sheba here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. If you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. So you guys, today the hair I have that I'm going to be working with is from Julia Hair. Hope y'all can see that without the glare. And where's the stuff? In the box, they did send me some wig caps and also some adjustable bands that you can put into the wig yourself. It doesn't come like already halfway attached or anything like that. This is the wig, so here you can see like the back and the density of it. I think they sent me, it's not labeled and I couldn't find it in our emails. I feel like this is just my educated guess, about 150% density, maybe 180% density. So it's one of those, that's for sure. They do have both available when you look at this wig on their site. This is actually some Aliexpress hair and it seems pretty good. You can actually purchase one or the other on their Aliexpress store. And this is a 20-inch unit. I do know that, and this is their Brazilian straight. I have it in the transparent lace. They have transparent lace and they also have medium brown lace choices on the site. And then it also comes pre-plucked, which is labeled on the site that it is pre-plucked. So you can kind of see, this is actually after I plucked it myself. I went ahead and did that off camera because y'all have seen me do that so many times. I didn't want to bore you with that. Again, if you haven't seen that, you know, check out pretty much any of my other videos and it's there. But I do have footage of what it looked like before I did anything to it. And I didn't do much because I did like the plucking job that they did. All I did was actually put it on my head, which I've done in some older videos, but I haven't been doing it recently because I've been lazy. But I put it on my head and then I just kind of like customized to fit my actual like hairline, like going like this. I did a little more of that with this unit just because I hadn't done that in a minute. So that's pretty much all the plucking I did. Now I don't know for sure, but I feel like this is the 13x6 frontal that they sent me. They do have the options of 13x6 and 13x4 on the site for this wig. So, you know, you have the options. If you prefer 13x6, you can get that. If you prefer 13x4, you can get that too. This seems to be like a pretty good transparent lace to me because it's not like ghostly white. That's really hard to blend, as we've seen. So this is just the wig, what it looks like without me touching it or doing anything to it just yet. Outside of, you know, the hairline a little bit, but I didn't even like, it already came with some dips and some grooves in it already, so I really didn't have to do much but just add a little extra where they already put it, you know, just to match where mine naturally is on my actual hairline. Hair feels very smooth. I am getting minimal tangling, just a little bit, like you can see that. Love running my hands through it so y'all can decide for yourselves what you think. I haven't done a straight wig in the longest. I don't know if I want to keep this straight or put some curls in it. I don't know yet. I feel like I'm probably going to put some curls in it. But we'll see. We'll see when I get to that point. I'm actually going to install this wig a little different just because I felt like switching it up. I like variety. I don't feel like there's any right way to install your wig. You just do what works for you and what turns out the best for you, to be quite honest. So, you know, do what you want. Do what works. When you spray your lace, like, I don't really care what you do with the back, but don't spray too much on the front because you don't want to leave, you know, have too much product residue on your forehead. You want as little product as possible so you can get that real blend. But you still want enough so to make sure that it tints and it matches your skin tone. As you can see, black wig cap gang front and center here. I don't know if I'll ever wear a nude one again, to be quite honest, because like this just blends with everything. Now if you're gonna do a bald cap, like you're wearing your wig for a long time, then go ahead and do, you know, a tan cap. Actually, at period, just do what you want. But the black wig caps have just really been working for me as far as like really disguising that I have a cap under my wig. All right, let's get into this wig installing tea. So I'm going to cut the lace into 3 sections by putting the 2 slits in the lace, pull the hair back, and then I'm going to install with the Got2b glue and Got2b glue free spray under the lace this time, just to switch it up a little bit. Typically, I would cut the ear tabs off before I start installing the wig, but I forgot, but it's no biggie because I hadn't put the sides down just yet, so I still had time to cut around my ear. Cutting the lace, remember to cut jagged. It leaves you with a better and flawless install. Also, remember to get as much of the excess lace off your hairline as you possibly can.
I'm feeling you right here and right now. And all the love you show me lets me know that you like what you see and wanna get to know me too. This could very well be the start of something special. I'm happy that I met you. I ain't even gonna lie.
To style, I'm just gonna start by setting my part and flattening the hair down, and then I'm going to get into curling this unit, which I'm going to do wand curls. I'm gonna do the wand curls, and this time I'm gonna actually like wand curl it, not use it like a curling iron. And I'm going to twist it, the hair, as I twist it around the iron, so it's all twisted while it's twisting, if that even makes sense. Transparent lace takes a little more blending on brown skin, so just use a concealer or foundation in your color and dab it on the lace to blend in with your skin. Okay, you guys, so like clearly I moved this part and I didn't show y'all. I did it off camera because one, my battery was running low and I didn't have enough battery for that, so you know, it was my time to charge, fix my hair. But I really just wasn't feeling it. Something was just off to me in the middle part. The way I styled it didn't really have much to do with the hair, but the way I styled it, I just wasn't feeling it in the middle part. So I did a side part on this one and I'm really happy with the result. I did some wand curls, as you guys saw, and it was really easy and simple to curl. When I got into the hair like that to style it, I realized it's definitely about 150% density because it did not take me long to style at all, which is why I'm a fan of 150% density, because like literally had this hair curled all the way around in like 15 minutes. My biggest issue with this hair was really like the flyaways. Those were really hard for me to like get to lay down and just stay down, especially when I changed the part and then I had to like do it all over again. They were just very like, they were more stubborn than I am. But I wouldn't let that deter you from purchasing this hair if you were interested, because it's literally under $200. Like I think it was like 160 something. I checked online and some change to get this like exact unit to do this exact look, and that is great for the fact that it is 20 inches and it's a 13x6 frontal. The hair is super soft. I ain't had no like hair smell in it hit me in the face when I took it out the package. Like, it was just very nice as is. And as you can see, like I said before, it's minimum tangling, and even after I've you know, wand curled it and everything, it's gliding out smooth. So that's really nice. I like that about the hair. Love how soft and flowy it is. The hairline blended really good on this side. Like, it's pretty much flawless on this side. On this side, I think I added maybe just a little too much product that I had to go back and kind of correct. So it's not as flawless as this side, but it still turned out great. I love that this lace literally comes ear to ear on me. It covered my entire edges. There is no hair from Sheba out right now, and that's rare that that happens. I could tuck this behind my ear. I had to blend nothing with my natural hair. I really love the size of this unit. Definitely big head friendly, and I still got room in the back. And I love how much they give you for the price that you pay for this unit, because like literally it came pre-plucked. They did such a good job. Like, I'm not even gonna give myself none of the credit on this hairline. All I did was literally like maybe right here and right here, just go a little farther back. But as far as like how the hairline looks overall, that's all them. So definitely a no work unit, beginner friendly. If you aren't used to plucking, this is a good one for you because you won't have to do much. As you can see, I added some decorative baby hair. I went a little heavier than I usually do, but still light because I can't do too much. I got a little forehead, and I already pulled this past my hairline, which I don't do too often because I look crazy. But I did pull this past my hairline, which is a big reason why this fits well. But I was able to do that because their hairline was just so well like pre-plucked that I didn't have to worry about it looking like real crazy on me, or like looking like a gremlin, almost touching my eyebrows. Like, they did such a good job with this hairline. In the process of installing and styling, I haven't got any shedding out of it, so that's great. And I mean, it's a pretty smooth texture of hair, so it hasn't been giving me like any real issues. Like I said, it's minimal. It's minimal. You guys, I burnt my knuckle curling my hair. Like, I burnt my hand up making this video. I hope y'all appreciate me because I'm hurting. I think I'm gonna put my press-ons back on. I'm tired of being nailless. The other thing to know, as well as like the flyaways, was that getting it to lay down how I wanted it took a little bit of extra work too. Again, it's nothing crazy or unmanageable, but it did take a little bit of, you know, elbow grease to get it to lay perfectly how I wanted it. But do note that I can be kind of a perfectionist sometimes, so it might just be me. This hair is doing really good on like frizzing. It's really soft. It feels very like moisturized and just not dry. It's got that natural little sheen in it because I didn't put no oils or nothing in this hair. As y'all saw, I did install the hair differently. I can't keep my hands out of it, you see me. But as you saw, I did install this differently. I went under the lace this time instead of over the lace. Let me know what you prefer to do, or which one you like better between me doing over the lace and under the lace. I feel like it took me about the same amount of work at the end of the day to perfect the hairline between over the lace and under the lace. But I will say, you know, when you do it over the lace, you're going to get more product on the roots than you are when you go under the lace. So if that matters to you, then note that. I really don't care because I end up pushing back the roots anyway. So I feel like it kind of helps me lay it. But this does look a lot cleaner. So, I mean, I could go either way. Let me know down in the comments below which way you prefer to install your wigs. If you are interested in some bomb, inexpensive human hair from Julia Hair, of course, their information will be linked down below in the description box, and you can check them out. This wig or any of their other wigs or hair that they have to offer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.